Question number 106. Mark the incorrect statement. First option. Guttation is observed when root pressure is high and transpiration is low. Second, root pressure is a negative hydrostatic pressure. Third, root pressure develops due to active solute accumulation in root xylem. Fourth, root pressure provides only a modest push in the overall process of water transport. So you have to mark the incorrect statement over here. Guttation is observed when root pressure is high and transpiration is low. Yes, it is true, because when transpiration is high, it will be transpiration pull, which can be seen, not the root pressure. Third one, root pressure develops due to active solute accumulation in the root xylem. It is also true. During the active solute accumulation, some water is also accumulated or pushed up, due to which the root pressure is developed. So this is correct. Root pressure provides only a modest push in the overall process. Yes, because it is absorption by the roots, so it is the modest push in the overall process of the water transport. So this is also correct. Now see the second one, that root pressure is a negative hydrostatic pressure. No, root pressure is the positive hydrostatic pressure. The negative hydrostatic pressure develops in the root xylem is due to transpiration pull, not the root pressure. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move to the next question. Question number 107. Select the wrongly matched option. First option, Nitrobacter chemoautotroph. Second, Anabaena autotroph. Third, Rhodospirillum symbiotic nitrogen fixer. Fourth, Rhizobium heterotroph. You have to find out the wrongly matched option. Nitrobacter, it's a chemoautotrophic organism. It synthesizes its food by oxidizing these substances, and the energy obtained by oxidizing the material is used in the synthesis of food. So this is correct. Anabaena is autotrophic. Yes, Anabaena is autotrophic in nature. Rhodospirillum symbiotic nitrogen fixer. No, Rhodospirillum is a free-living anaerobic nitrogen fixer. So this is wrongly matched option. Fourth one is Rhizobium is heterotrophic. Yes, it cannot synthesize its own food. It is heterotrophic in nature. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 108. Which of the given are not favorable factors for cyclic photophosphorylation? A. Low light intensity. B. Poor CO2 availability. C. Anaerobic conditions. First option A and B, second A and C, third B and C, fourth only C. In cyclic photophosphorylation, what happens? There is synthesis of ATP, but the external electron donor is not required. So this cyclic photophosphorylation is favored by low light intensity and poor CO2 availability. The aerobic conditions does not favor the cyclic photophosphorylation. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 109. Plants with crans anatomy are related to all of the following except: first option, they show CO2 fertilization effect. Second, they have high temperature optimum for photosynthesis. Third, they are better adapted to semi-arid habitats. Fourth, they lack photorespiration process. So the plants with crans anatomy are C4 plants. C4 plants have high temperature optimum for photosynthesis, and it is approximately 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. So this is true. And they are adapted to semi-arid habitats. So this is also correct. They lack photorespiration. Yes, they also lack photorespiration. So see the first option now. They show CO2 fertilization effect. No. What is CO2 fertilization effect? With increase in the CO2, there can be increase in the productivity. This happens in C3 plants only. Productivity of C3 plants can be increased by applying more CO2, but it is not true for the C4 plants. They do not show CO2 fertilization effect. So the correct option for the given question is option number 1. Let's move to the next question. Question number 110. The molecule common to respiration mediated breakdown of fats and carbohydrates is precursor of. First option, cytochromes. Second, pyrimidines. Third, amino acids. Fourth, carotenoids. Respiration-mediated breakdown of fats and carbohydrates leads to the formation of a common molecule, that is acetyl coenzyme A. And this acetyl coenzyme A is a precursor for carotenoids. What about the cytochromes? The succinyl coenzyme A is precursor for cytochromes. For amino acids, it is alpha ketoglutaric acid. And for pyrimidines, it is oxaloacetic acid. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move to the next question.